How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today we'll look at SNDL Sundial Growers. Great day for some guys. At the close of 13%, just shy of 13%. That is 13 cents, and now we spiked up to a buck 20, and I'm assuming that is 20% of the day. So very, very, very good. Two things to say. In the Patreon, we've been talking about SNDL for months now, almost been a year actually, and it's been on our watch list. So if you guys were in the Patreon and you were looking at SNDL, you would have saw it at 65 cents a couple Thursdays ago, and you could have picked it up and got a almost 100% move on it within a matter of a month. So not that bad of a trade. Click the link in the description box down below. Only $3, $5, or $7 a month. You can cancel anytime, and beginning of month is the best time to join, so you get the full access without getting paid again. So let's go ahead and break down here. A buck 20 is going to be our resistance. It was $1.19, but obviously we just broke above it. We do have some good support at $1.15, as well as VWAP as $1.10, and you have some more support at $1. Now a dollar will always be psychological resistance or support, and you really want it to be on your side. So a dollar will always be some good support when the price is above it. Now, taking a look at the 1 year, 1 day chart, volume was good. It was a little above average right there at 410 million shares. I would have liked to be a bit better, knowing that we are 20. Well, I guess at the time of the close, it was 13% of the day. Just going into the future, where I think this can go, obviously that $4, it's right there in everybody's faces. Everybody wants to see it again, but there is some areas of resistance that we need to break out of. The $1.33, the $1.50, $69, $91, and then we can get a nice quick shoot up to $2.28, and then 332, $3.50, and then that $4 range. I feel like we can get it, guys. Earnings should be good. I believe the next ones are coming up in August, maybe even September. I think I read. What does this say right here? Yeah, 8-10 is the area of resistance. Now, I don't think SNDL had a split. So $13 is a price that we could see again. Each candle is a week here, but there's going to be, you got to break a lot of levels. And obviously, if this is a quote unquote meme stock, as we check the news right now, like, Wall Street and Wall Street Bets, and so many articles are trying to compare it to, like AMC, BlackBerry, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, and, CCIV, NKLA, and SPCE. It looks like we just had a nice report saying cannabis stock gainers and losers from June 22nd, so you guys can pause the video and read any of this. Tilray, TLRY, was a good one too, up 11% on the day as well. But right now it looks like SNDL was the besides GHG was the highest mover without positive wise. Then that was, you guys probably want to see the losers too, because if you can pick up a nice dip buy off the losers. But you guys know weed. If you guys know, we guys know weed actually, but we'll talk about that. So if you guys invest in weed, you guys know that with the states approving it, almost every month or a couple months there's a new state approving it, legalizing it, I should say. It's a sector that's going to be hot, and it's always been hot, but I feel like now it's hot. Yeah, it's a good time to get in. You guys know ACB, Aurora Cannabis, is also good. Right there at $10 today, 7.79%. So a nice steady incline chart and a nice stair-step pattern as well. And SNDL follows it pretty similarly as you would expect. They are in the same sector after all. But I'm very bullish on it. Like I said, it's going to have some areas of resistance we got to break. The 133, 50, 2, and then work our way back up to that $4 range, and even possibly even that $13 range. It's going to have good earnings, good catalyst. You guys know the rest of the stuff. SNDL Sundial Growers, thank you so much for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, go to the opinion down below. Click the link in the description of the Patreon. Like I said, only $3, $5, or $7 a month. And I really hope you see you there, guys. All right, thanks for watching. SNDL.